We are FTC Team 8581 Identificatores. For 5 years, we have competed in the First Tech Challenge robotics competition. We, along with our nonprofit organization, KSS Robotics, are looking to expand our team and create new teams this year. And to do that, we made this video to introduce people to the First Tech Challenge. For Inspiration of Science and Technology, or FIRST, is a nonprofit organization founded in 1989 by inventor and entrepreneur Dean Kamen. This was to inspire student interest in STEM fields and to provide opportunities to pursue those interests. To do this, FIRST created various robotics competitions: First LEGO League, First LEGO League Junior, First Robotics Competition, and most recently, First Tech Challenge, which is the competition we participate in. Each season, a new game is presented to FTC teams, who are tasked with building a robot that scores as many points as possible in each match within a specified hardware and software limitation. Each game begins with a 30-second autonomous period. During this period, the robot is allowed only to operate independently, without input from the team's drivers. Once this period ends, a 2-minute teleop period begins. During this period, drivers from each team are allowed to control the robot. Scoring in teleop usually entails interacting with objects on the field. Additional scoring components are opened up in the endgame, which takes up the final 30 seconds of each match. Aside from matches, much of a team's success at a competition is based on presenting to a group of judges. This presentation allows teams to chronicle their journey, explaining their design and programming processes, and illustrate their growth throughout the season. Teams advance to higher levels of competition through robot performance, as well as through recognition by judges on their outreach, documentation, and cooperation with other teams. During the off-season, the team spends most of their time researching, designing, building, and programming components of the robot for the next season. After the game is released, we strategize on how to score the most points, then brainstorm mechanical designs. Once mechanisms are designed, built, and programmed, they are further refined through prototyping and extensive testing. We continually improve the robot between competitions and document this process in an engineering notebook, which is presented to the judges at each competition. However, FTC is more than just building robots. We visit companies to gain sponsorship and mentorship, both of which help us improve our team. We also participate in community events to spread the awareness of FIRST and our team as well. In addition, we spend time networking and collaborating with other FTC teams as we help each other before, during, and after competitions. But why should you participate? Well, for one thing, it's fun. It's fun. Solving problems and confronting the challenge of competition is an enjoyable experience by itself, but by doing it in the company of other like-minded people, not only enhances the experience, it builds new relationships and carry on outside of FTC. It also gives team members an opportunity to grow and develop many facets of life, including communication, problem solving, and time management, as well as other 21st century skills useful in STEM and business workplaces. On behalf of the Identificatores and KSS Robotics, we invite you to participate and make the FTC community a better place.